Quick grammar drills, the best practices for developing your English. Today's an intermediate lesson, and we're doing Modals Perfect. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm David Sugarman, and today we're learning something that makes your English sound more natural. How to use modal verbs to talk about the past. This is what native speakers use when they say things like, I should have called. You must have been tired. They might have forgotten. These phrases help you express certainty, possibility, and emotion about what's already happened. So let's take a closer look at the structure. It's modal plus have plus past participle, which is the verb 3. And we use this when the modal verb can, could, must, or should, may, might talks about something in the past, not now. So if you use this in the present, for example, he can't be home right now, that talks about now. Okay? He can't be home right now. But in the past, he can't have been home earlier, talks about before now. Adding have plus the verb 3 changes the meaning to the past. So let's just say the common modals, and then we'll go over the meanings, and then I'll give you an example. So again, we have must have, can't have, should have, may or might have, and could have. Okay? So with must have, it's certainty about the past. For example, he must have been tired. So I saw him the other day. He looked really like maybe he worked a lot. He worked so much, and that's why we think that he's tired. So we go, he must have been tired. Can't have is a strong doubt about the past. She can't have known that. There's no way. There's no way. No ability. Should have is the regret or advice not followed. So that means you're regretting something, and also maybe there was some advice given to you that you didn't follow. So here's an example. You should have called me. So maybe here it's kind of a regret, like, why didn't you call? You should have called me. May or might have, it's about possibility. They might have missed the train. So maybe you're waiting for someone and you're wondering why they're not there. Well, they may or might have missed the train. Could have for past opportunity. We could have gone earlier, but we didn't. And listen, let's just go more into more examples and structures, and then you're going to absorb this, and then we'll do some exercises. Here are some real life examples. Let's look at the woman on the top left corner. You must have been exhausted after that trip. Yes, she looks pretty exhausted. The next one, on the top right corner. She should have called her parents yesterday, meaning that she didn't call, but that's what we think she should have done. Bottom left corner, meeting canceled. They may not have known about the meeting. And bottom right corner, I could have helped if you had asked me earlier. Now let's give you some emotional connection to this. Regret. I should have gone. I should have gone to that movie. I should have gone to that party. I should have gone to that wedding. I should have gone to that business meeting. You're regretting it. I should have gone on that date. Or I shouldn't have gone, for some of you that are dating. Certainty. He must have left. You see that the door is open and he took all of his things. He must have left. Possibility. They might have heard. There's a chance. That's why they know the information. They might have heard. In doubt. She can't have seen me just now. She can't have seen me just now. So, as always, I love it when you practice. Get your pen and pencil, get a notebook, and write down your answers. You could even put it down in the comments if you're following me. And again, we have more exercises at davidenglish.info on this. And let's start. Complete the sentences. Number 1, you should call your mom yesterday. So write it down and then say your answer. Number 2, he must forget his keys. Remember the structure. Now, write down your answer and then say it. Number 3, they can't know the news. Write down your answer and then say it. Number 4, we may take the wrong road. So imagine that you're thinking that the road is wrong. Write down your answer. Now say your answer. And number 5, she could help you if you had asked. That's a conditional 3, third conditional. Write down your answer and say your answer. And now I'm going to give you the answers. Answer key. Number 1, all talk about actions in the past. You should have called your mom yesterday. Why didn't you? Number 2, he must have forgotten his keys. 3, they can't have known the news. There's no way. No way. They can't have known the news. 4, we may have taken the wrong road. Uh-oh. 5, she could have helped you if you had asked, but you didn't ask, so she didn't help you. She could have helped you. Let's fix our common mistakes. He must went home. You want to say, he must have gone home. I should to call you. I should to call you now. I should to call you. Yeah. I should have called you. I should have called you because I wanted to tell you the truth. I should have called you. I wanted to apologize. I should have called you. Important. Always use have plus verb 3 after the modal. No to, no tos, and no base verb. It's very, very, very important. Now, if you want to try and take it to another level, share something you think you should have happened and what might have happened in a certain situation. Okay, again, share something you think should have happened and what might have happened in a certain situation. Write it down in the comments. I would love to check your answers and comment back. Guys, for more information, you can visit and follow my social media accounts and come to davidenglish.info for more exercises.